Social Security May 2026 payment dates SSA, SSDI, SSI Don't Miss You, Prana Benefit TV. Big update for millions of Americans. May 2026 SSI and Social Security payment dates are officially confirmed, and some people could receive three payments in certain months. May 2026 payment dates confirmed. If you receive SSI or Social Security benefits, here exactly when your money is coming in May 2026. First, SSI receipts will receive their payment on Friday, May 1st. Since May 1st falls on a regular business day this year, there no early payment adjustment. Your check should arrive right on schedule. Now for regular Social Security retirement beneficiaries, payments will follow the standard business day schedule based on your birthday. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th, your payment arrive May 13th. If your birth date falls between the 11th and 20th, exact payment on May 20th. And if your birthday falls between the 20th and 31st, your benefit will arrive on May 27th. Knowing these exact dates can help you budget better and avoid unnecessary stress. Why some SSI checks arrive early? Many people get confused when SSI payments arrive early than expected, but there is a simple reason. SSI checks are normally sent on the first day of each month. However, if that date falls on a weekend or federal holiday, the Social Security Administration sends the payment on the last business day before that date. This prevents delay and ensures recipients get their money on time. The next early payment in 2026 happens on July 31st because August 1st falls on a Saturday, and the early payment will happen on October 30th for November benefits since November 1st lands on a weekend. Then again on December 30th for January 27. Why some people get three payments? Now hear the part that surprises many people. Some beneficiaries will receive three payments in a single month during 2026. Sound unbelievable, right? But here how it works. This only happens for people who receive both SSI and regular Social Security retirement benefits. For example, in July, they will receive their normal SSI payment on July 1st, their regular Social Security benefit later in the month based on their birthday, and then an early SSI payment for August on July 30th. The same thing will happen in October and December. While it may feel like a financial bounce, it's important to understand that one of those payments is simply for the following month. Misunderstanding this can lead to overspending and budgeting problems. SSI 2026 payment schedule. Here the full SSI payment schedule for the rest of 2026 so you can plan ahead. May 1st for May, June 1st for June, July 1st for July, July 30th for August, September 1st for September, October 1st for October, October 30th for November, and December 1st for December, and December 30th for January 2027. Keeping track of these dates is extremely important, especially if your monthly budget depends heavily on these payments. A simple calendar reminder can help you stay prepared and avoid confusion when payments arrive earlier than usual. Always double check official Social Security Administration schedules for updates. Bye bye, see you.